Okay, so recording has been started. Okay, so in today's class, what we are going to see three last three string function topic um, in our string functions. So after that, we will move to analytical analytical processing of our data, so that we can cover the correlated queries, subqueries, inner queries, joins, and group bys. So but this is obviously the last string topic. So we are going to cover Lpad, Rpad, and trim function. Okay, so let's first see what is Lpad. What is padding? Padding is something, you can say padding is something to cover the things. Okay, so suppose you might get see, suppose you have a Mastercard. Okay, suppose you had an ATM card. Okay, ATM card, you might see some of the times in your website, or filling details or anything, you might see questions like uh, uh, please enter CVV with your card ending XXXXXXXX, right? Like this, 1 2 3 4. Okay, okay, like this you might get in your application of any, if you are using mobile application of payment gateway. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you might get these type of uh, dialog box or messages on your mobile. So how does it cover, right? It has only 4 characters, right? And it is padding like 11 10 to 11 characters. Okay, so obviously we know that our
So
uh,
padding means masking.
yeah, sir, correct. It's a no, not masking. No. Masking is another thing. Masking is something else.
Okay.
Masking is something else. You can say it's masking, but I am not going there. Not going to masking. I am going to padding of the things. Means you have 14 characters, and 10 are covered, 10 are masked. But how would you show that? Okay, only what you have these 4 characters. Okay, okay. So let's see another example. I'm not sure if you are convinced with this example. Let's see. You have you have some requirement to fill at least 10 letters, 10 characters in your column. Okay, so suppose so 10 characters in your column, and you have only 3 characters. Suppose SQL is the word, SQL. Okay, SQL is the word. And but your requirement is enter at least 10 characters in your that column. Okay, so how would you do? This is done with Lpad and Rpad. Okay, this is done with the padding, and this fits your character. So you have a choice to do it with left padding or right padding. Means, let me get back to you example directly rather than going here and there. So suppose you want, select Rpad, Lpad, first Lpad, SQL, and suppose you want to done with 10 characters, and you want nothing. You want, suppose, XX. Okay, X to be printed, and after that SQL will be printed. So how do you do? This is your character. This is your, how much letter want at least you want in your column, and this is what letter should be covered with um, with what letters will you cover the word? Okay, so this will what it will do, let me tell you, this will what it will do. We know that SQL is 3-letter word. Okay, so it will create a left padding. So what it will do, it will subtract 10 minus this 3. Okay, so 7, so 7x, 7 letter will be filled with x, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 8 9 10. So it will be a 10 letter word, but 7 letter will be of x and 3 letter will be of SQL. Did you get this point, what I'm going to make you understand?
No, sir.
No, let me run it and you will see it like this. What I have done, SQL is the word, SQL is the word. Okay, I want to enter in it, enter uh, in a column. Okay, okay, so what will you do, what will you do? Suppose, let me create one table, like, just wait a minute, let me create a table.
Okay.
Temp, so that you will get a more clear idea where is the temp. Hmm, temp 4 medical shop dot temp 5, temp 4. After temp 4 nothing is there. Okay, now temp 5 would be there. Okay, so let me create one table. I will give you one example, don't worry. Create table medical shop dot temp 5. So what I have I have your uh, I have your card number. Okay, and it's a varchar. What would be the varchar size? Let me do it for 4 digit. Suppose 4 digit card number is there in your, you have one table for which you have detail 4 digit, last 4 digit last 4 digit of your card number. Okay, okay, and and you are saving it in string. Okay, strangely you are saving it in string. Why you are saving it in string? Because it's an we need to show it's an Lpad, because Lpad is a string function. So but to demonstrate, I'm showing it in string. Okay, so my requirement is I have to display to customer. See, I have only last 4 digit information. Okay, I have only one column in it. Insert into this one medical shop dot temp 5 values, and suppose I have 45885. Okay, this is my last 4 digit ATM card, SDFC ATM card number. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it? This is
Yes.
my I have an ATM card whose last 4 digit is this one. I want to, I am running a site, whether I am from SDFC only, and I want to display customer such an information that your card ends with this and this, like that. I will show you, I will show you, don't worry. Oh, temp 6. Okay, temp 6 also exists. Temp 7. Okay, so temp 7 is there. Okay, so let me now select a star from. If I do select a star from medical shop dot temp 7, what you will see, last 4 digit. Okay, last 4 digit of your ATM card. But what is my requirement? I want to display, I want to select it from this one and display what, and I want to display a message. Okay, I want to display a message that your card ends, please enter this one, please enter CVV with your card ending this one, like this. Means your card is, if your card is 16 digit, I want cross up to 12 digits, 12 digits. Okay, okay, am I able to, are you able to get this?
Yes, sir.
Now you are able to get this. Okay, I'm happy you, if you are able to get this, because I have done so much, so much. Okay, so what I want to display a message. Okay, so what would I do? I will use an concat ws operator. I have already taught you what is this. It will add two strings. Okay, so what will it do? You can add, nothing between, or just space between. My first string is, my first string is, or my first string is, please add, please, this one, please enter your card ending this one. And my second string would be Lpad, Lpad. I will show you one by one. Lpad, last 4 digit. Okay, to be filled. And how much is character? It's 16 digit. Okay, it's 16 digit. It's a 16 digit character. Now how it should be filled with? It should be filled with X. Means the padding should be filled with X. Okay, so now see it, what what you will get. Okay, okay, so now your message is clear as message. I will show you what I will, don't worry, I will show you. So see what you will get, what you will get the output. See, this is your output. Please enter CVV with your card ending cross up to 12 times and then 4585. Okay, so what is Lpad doing here? Lpad is basically filling the empty. It will count the space up to 16. It will count space up to 16, means it will count 16 spaces. Okay, 16 spaces. And if 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 your 4 digit, and it will count 4 digit from the ending. Okay, and rest of the digit will be filled with X. Means suppose if you are not filling with 16, suppose it is 6. Okay, so how many letter digit I have in column? Only 4. 4585, it's a 4 digit number, 4 digit varchar. Are you getting this? 4 digit varchar.
Yes, sir.
4585, it's 4 digit na. And how much you want 6 digit. So how much letter it will fill with x? Only 2 na. Only 2. It's a simple mathematics. It's a very
Yes,
very simple mathematics. I don't know why you're not getting it. It's a very simple mathematics. in
I
that
got it.
case in that case only 2 x will be there. It's a very very simple mathematics. Okay, it's a 4 digit number. 4585 is a 4 digit number. Okay, 4 digit number only. And you are passing 6 as an argument, means 2 digit and 2 digits will be filled with x, because it will be blank. So filled with x, and rest of the 4 digit will fill with the original 4 digit. So total it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digit number. Similarly, in case of r padding, it will count 4 digit from right, from means 4585, and then after that x will become, means it is just opposite of that. Okay, so right padding is opposite of it. Okay, okay, are you able to get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now its Lpad and Rpad is completed. Let me tell you about trim function. So trim function is nearly about trimming the things, trimming the spaces from right and left. Here you can see we have blank spaces from right and from left. So many cases you will see that in your when you will be do will when you will be doing projects in your company, you will get many times that blank spaces will be there, not in the middle, not in the middle, because it will count middle space as a varchar. Okay, but from the left and from the right, it will not count as a varchar. It will it will count as a junk character. Okay, so how junk spaces, not character, junk spaces. So how junk spaces are removed? This will be done with trim. Okay, so when you will see, if you are not using if you are not using trim, see what is the output. See what is the output if you are not using trim. See, it's in the middle. SQL tutorial is in the middle. Can you see? It's in the middle. Here it's blank space and here it's blank space. But if you are using trim, you can see clearly, see s has been shifted leftwards. And don't worry about this, you can't justify here. When you will count length of this, you will get to know. So trim is that. Similarly, Ltrim and Rtrim functions are there. Left trimming and right trimming. This will do same thing. This will do same thing. When you will do Rtrim, left trim will be ignored. Okay, and right trimming would be done only. Okay, see, left trimming would be ignored. Here left trimming has not been done. Here only right trimming is done. So trim, Ltrim, Rtrim. What does Ltrim will do? Ltrim will left Ltrim will do trimming of spaces from the left. Right trim will do right trimming of spaces from the right. And trim will do left plus right. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
I think this should you get. Okay, So this is Rtrim as right trim stream, and this is left trim stream. Okay, so that's it from today's class, and from tomorrow we'll start a new topic. I think first I should start group by or subqueries. So group by would be my first preference. So the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.